Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BurnedFi token. Ticker symbol is BURN. Now this token has a huge market cap. It's an older token, came out 1 year, 2 months, 17 days ago on PancakeSwap. Has a massive amount of holders. It's up 7.5% today, and even though it's over a year, 2 months old, there's still tons of trading going on. So today they have a 24-hour trading volume of $311,000. So this is a BEP20 token. We're going to go over the information on the BurnedFi token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says here, what is a burn token? Why would people burn tokens? Well, when did it start? 2023, December 17th, the burn token was the first token minted with the concept of ruins, burn, and build. Now you can find this token, it looks like on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They have a swap and buy page on Flues, and you can see that linked right here on the Twitter in the corner of the screen at flues.xyz/BurnedFi. And they have links to charts. The web page is actually not available. I'm not even sure if anybody's even really running this project anymore. Let's see how active this Twitter is here. But yeah, so it doesn't seem like it seems like the token is still, trading a lot. And like I said, there's $311,000 worth of 24-hour trading volume just today. And, big market cap still, big project, but it doesn't seem to have like active, I guess there's active community members, but there's not really active, like a dev running this project here, because their last tweet was from October 19th, 2024. And this is actually from a Twitter here at Burn Army. So that seems like it's not even really the dev's page. It seems like a kind of a community page, and there hasn't been a tweet since October last year. But in their pinned tweet, they have the contract address. They do have a link to their document section and web page, which, like I said, aren't working. They have a Telegram, though, that you can join at BurnedFi. I think they actually have 2 different Telegrams. And then they have a link to PancakeSwap in their pinned tweet as well. And they have a quote from CZ, the Binance founder. It says, "If you don't know what a burn is, you are borderline financially illiterate." So that's a nice tweet there. So on the Twitter here, it says, what is a burn token? Why would people burn tokens? And then it says when it started. So the same thing on the Flues trade page. 20,200 Twitter followers, 489 posts. But this Twitter here doesn't seem to be very active. So just be aware of that. Now, I'll get to the 2 different Telegrams here in a second. Actually, it looks like there might even be more. There are different language Telegrams here. So they do have the chart on Dex Screener. It says this token's up 7.5% today. They've had over 700 transactions today. Their market cap is $28.7 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $1.5 million worth of liquidity In PancakeSwap, token price is $2.17 US per token. Now, it came out 1 year, 2 months, 17 days ago. They have a couple quick audits here on Dex Screener. And they got 70 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. Buy and sell tax, it says, is 1%. So just be aware of that. And there's a couple conflicts in the audit. I mean, this token's been around forever, though. But yeah, one audit says a couple things are good and one audit says a couple things are bad, but they're talking about the same thing, so you don't know which one's right. That's always annoying when there's conflicts in audits. But yeah, one of them is whitelisting. One says ownership not renounced and the other says transfers are possible, but then the other audit says that all those things are good, so who knows. But like I said, it's been around forever, this token. They have 929 different liquidity providers in PancakeSwap. That is a lot of liquidity providers. 77,495 holders. A lot of holders. Now, if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You could download either one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You can fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with BSC, go into the dApps, you would find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official Twitter right here, which is right at in the pinned tweet, you would trade your BSC for the burn token. You will have to set your slippage around 1% for buys and sells and maybe transfers, and you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees also when buying tokens off of PancakeSwap. Now, they have here a global Twitter chat group, or sorry, global Telegram chat group. So if you go to Telegram and you go to @burn_global, they have a group with 1,481 members. 22 of them are online right now. It says Burn is the first rune burning mechanism deflationary token fairly minted on the BNB chain. So check out that Telegram to chat to other community members. They also have another one. This is supposed to be the announcement channel at BurnedFi_channel that has 562 subscribers. And then they also have an Asian one here that has over 13,638 members. 131 of them are online, and that one is at BurnedFi. So maybe, and then there's another one linked on there too for another Asian Telegram. So maybe there's an Asian webpage out there that's still active, and maybe they're only active on that channel. I'm not sure, but yeah, this token has a ton of holders, huge market cap. Pretty big trading volume today. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the BurnedFi token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.